Install bracket and paper feeding system. Put the machine on the stand. Tighten the screws at the bottom. Install V-ink tank middleware. Install all V-ink damper. Connect the cable to the print head. Protect the head with acetic acid tape. Prevent ink from entering. This step is very important, or the head may be burned down. Open the right side cover of the machine. Rotate the head station lifting button so that it can move. Rotate the head station lifting button so that it can move. Place 4 screws to fix the print head, and then tighten again. The left to data line of the board is connected to side print head. Shake the ink before putting the cartridges. Put middleware ink to the cartridges. Fill the ink damper with ink with a syringe. Install CMYK first, then LCLM. Install the dampers from left to right. BK, C, N, LC, Y, LM. Install the other ink tank LCLM and orient the ink. Fill ink LCLM with a syringe and install the dampers. The same way install the white print head. Draw ink W with a syringe and install the dampers. Lift the pinch roller. Install the pet film. Place the film to the printing platform. Lower the pinch roller and hold down the pet film with the steel plate. Adjust the position and tighten the screws. Turn on the printer after confirmation by the technician. Print test 3.